Risk identification is a crucial part of project management. Did you know that 61% of project failures are due to poor risk management? There are 5 common risk identification techniques: brainstorming, Delphi technique, SWOT analysis, expert judgment, and historical data analysis. Each has its own benefits and drawbacks. The steps of risk identification are: define the project scope, identify the potential risks, analyze the identified risks, prioritize the risks, and develop a risk management plan. Risk identification is the process of identifying and assessing the potential risks that may impact a project's objectives. It's important to identify risks early to develop a plan to mitigate them. Remember, identifying risks is not a one-time event. It's an ongoing process that requires constant monitoring and evaluation. So, take the time to identify risks, prioritize them, and develop a plan to mitigate them.